This is your Week 11 update. Like usual, first of all, we'll talk about the Week 10 video question, then we'll talk about what's up for Week 11. Well, your Week 10 video question was, use the tables at the top of this page to answer the following questions. Well, I rewrote those tables right here for you to see. And the questions for the first three questions was what is the total utility of consuming the first banana, the second banana, and the third banana? Well, to get total utilities, you simply add together the marginal utilities. Well, what is the marginal utility from the first banana? It's 30, so the total utility must also be 30. Let me write that in here. To get the total utility from bananas 1 and 2, you'd add the marginal utilities, 30 plus 23, to get 53. And what is the total utilities from bananas 1, 2, and 3? Well, you'd add 30 plus 23 plus 15, and that would get you 68. All right? Then questions 4, 5, and 6 were, what is the marginal utilities of consuming the first, second, and third plum? Well, as you may recall, marginal utility equals the change in total utility divided by the change in quantity. We could write that out as marginal utility equals the change in total utility over change in quantity. All right, so let's look at these. What was the marginal utility from the first plum? Well, the total utility from the first plum was 25. It was 0 for 0 plums. 1 minus 0 equals what? 25. Okay, 25. Let me just draw a line here so you don't get confused here. What is the marginal utility from the second one? Well, the total utility from the second one is 43. It was 25 for the first one. We have 2 minus 1, and that comes out to be what? 18. Alright? Alright, let's draw a line here again. And then, what is the marginal utility for the third plum? Well, the total utility for the third plum was 50. It was 43 for the second plum. 3 minus 2, and that comes out to be 7. Okay? And the last question was, with respect to the above tables, what happens to marginal utility as consumption increases? Well, according to the law of diminishing marginal utility, as consumption increases, marginal utility will decline. All right, so the answer would be it declines or decreases. Now, for Week 11, your Week 11 homework assignment, quiz, and video question are all due Sunday, November 10 at 11 p.m. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thank you, and have a good day.